Would you really want to drink out of this? 75% of Monte Vista students said they wouldn't. Of the 12 water fountains at Monte Vista that we surveyed, only 4 currently work in satisfactory condition. The 2 first we found in unsatisfactory condition are worn out, under maintenance, and incredibly unsanitary. This provides serious health concerns for students. Because these fountains are very dirty, many students choose not to drink from them. A lack of hydration can be detrimental to a student's health. A survey we conducted indicates that 46% of students don't drink more than half of a water bottle a day. Hydration is crucial for students to be healthy and learn at their best. According to Dr. Philippia Norman, an international nutrition expert and author of free books on healthy food, water is necessary for optimal brain function, as it is necessary to maintain the tones of membranes for normal neurotransmission. From a biological perspective, this demonstrates how water can impact our student health and learning. Of the water fountains we visited, the red X's represent water fountains that were either incredibly dirty or didn't work well. The green X's represent the fountains that were the ones that were somewhat usable. Because our proposal impacts Monte Vista students, we decided to get their opinion on the current drinking system. When prompted to describe the water fountains at Monte Vista, students used negative words such as nasty, murky, and filled with sand to describe these water fountains. Dirty pipes in water fountains develop Legionella bacteria over time, which leads to Legionnaire's disease and Pontiac fever. Moreover, in a study published by Dr. Larry Sparks of Blanchette Rockefeller Neurosciences Institute, trace amounts of copper in water was shown to induce beta-amyloid plaques in neurons, clogging up molecular pathways and causing Alzheimer's disease. Curious to see what might be lurking in our school's water fountains, we decided to take the liberty of swabbing Monte Vista's very own water fountains. We then cultivated bacteria from them. What we found was both shockingly visual and disturbing. The white dots shown are the bacteria and mold that grew in our petri dish. In addition, many students who do not use the school's fountains and bring their own water bottles needlessly waste numerous plastic water bottles. It is estimated that Americans alone waste 35 million plastic water bottles despite recycling programs. To discover more about the impact of wasted plastic water bottles in our environment, we interviewed Daryl Young, the former state of California's Director of Conservation.
So in the next 5 minutes, California is going to throw away 20,000 plastic water bottles in our landfills and in our ocean. We each can do a little bit more. We can do a better job of keeping them out of landfills and out of the ocean by bringing our own water bottles and refilling them at refilling stations. I understand that Monte Vista has 1 refilling station going in, but why not more? We can all do better, keeping those water bottles out of landfills, out of the ocean, by simply refilling the existing bottles we have. We need to make it convenient. There are water fountains throughout campus. Hey, why not instead swap out those water fountains for refilling stations?
Our answer to these problems comes in water bottle fillers known as bubblers, which provides an eco-friendly, sanitary, and healthy way to get fresh, clean water while lowering plastic water bottle waste. Bubblers have been successfully implemented at Saratoga High and SFO. 83% of students surveyed said they would use a bubbler at our school. This feasible idea comes with long-term benefits. Each bubbler only costs $400 to $600 for installation. Here are Mrs. Scott's thoughts about our proposal.
I think right now they avoid the water fountain just because a lot of the water fountains are old. They're kind of creeped out by the faucet, or because the sinks look old, or because the fixtures look kind of grungy. And if it's something that they can fill with their own bottle, they know it's sanitary, I think it definitely would encourage it.
With this change, students can be fully hydrated without having to worry about cleanliness or bacterial infections. It will encourage students to drink more water, it will make it more convenient to drink water, and it will also save plastic water bottles. This plan is feasible. Through this positive change, we can improve student health and conservation, ultimately making Monte Vista a better place.